Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve this super fleeky, super cute eyebrows. I totally went from no eyebrows to dope eyebrows. So first I'm going to be taking my pencil. You can really use anything you have, even if it's the deep brow pomade, anything you have. Draw and underline your natural brows, so draw a line under your brows like you can see what I'm doing, and then another one on top of your brows, just following your natural eyebrow shape. My eyebrows are really messy, but like just follow it anyhow you can. The real work is really in the concealing. So you can see how I'm drawing like hair-like strokes and then just filling in the back. So hair-like strokes at the front and then just fill in the back any way you can. So yeah, I'm just filling. Then I'm using my spoolie to brush it out to make it look more natural, so not heavy on the filling. So just brush it out with your spoolie if you feel it's a little heavy. Now it's time to conceal. So first I'm going to be taking my concealer, concealing the bottom of my eyebrow. I'm going to be concealing lightly first and then going thicker. So the trick to this makeup artist secret eyebrow is just conceal. Like, do not be shy with your concealer. You need, when you get to the center of the eyebrow, you need to go heavy, a little bit heavy on the concealing. That's what's going to create that really light under eye look. So I'm going with like a concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than my actual skin color, which is what you should be doing. You can go 1 or 2 shades. Some people will even go 3. And then I'm going to be going with something a little bit closer to my skin tone for the top of my eyebrow. But for the bottom, we're going 2-3 shades lighter. And for the top, maybe just 1 shade lighter or even your skin tone. Some people just use their foundations. Now I'm going to be taking a like regular foundation brush, but instead of using it for foundation, I'm going to be using it to blend in my concealer. So this works really well for me because it literally gets into those tiny corners. So just blend in a dabbing motion. So don't drag, just dab, 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 dab. Dab as much as you have to. I'm gonna dab until I feel like it's not too cakey under there. And for the top, I'm gonna be taking a concealer that's just about a shade lighter than my skin tone. And following the exact same way I did it before, I'm just gonna use my brush to outline the top to clean up all the excess pencil around, and I'm also going to be using my concealer with my brush to draw hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. Now it's just blend. I'm going to be blending out all of the concealer, blend everything away. Don't worry if there's like excess concealer around. You're just going to cover it up with foundation, so everything's going to come out beautifully. But can you see how that eyebrow is already looking so fleeky? I did such a good job. Yeah, so just blend, look around, look at areas that are still not blended, and if you feel like you need some more blending, go ahead and blend. At this point, I'm just going to be using my translucent powder. You can really use any translucent powder you have and just pack it onto your eyelid just to set the concealer. We used quite a lot of concealer under there, so we just have to set everything. And trust me, after you put on your eyeshadow, or even if you don't, everything's gonna sit perfectly. No creasing, no nothing. Look at those brows. At this point, I was just really just filling my eyebrows. And now just brush everything out with this spoolie and you're done.